CrackBerry.com.
Hi, this is James from CrackBerry.com, and we're taking a quick look at Hungry Birds, which is was new into BlackBerry app world this week. Essentially, it's a bit like Pac-Man, to be honest with you. So we use the trackpad to send our bird around the maze, collecting the corn. Now, there are a few bits of, I don't know whether it's called big corn or whatever, but there's one just below me there. If we grab that, it means we can actually then eat the other bad birds that are trying to kill us. So as I say, it's very much like Pac-Man. It's pretty good fun, and I think I'm going to get eaten now. There we go. I lost a life, so we start again. Oh, cobblers. There we go, we can eat some of the bad guys now, that'll teach them. And obviously once you've collected all the corn on the level, it's then a case of moving on to the next level, funnily enough. But it's quite hard. Not that that's a bad thing, because if you're going to be getting a... oh, there's an extra life there. If you're going to be getting a game for your BlackBerry, it might as well be a bit challenging, because we don't want it to be too easy. But if you like the Pac-Man style of game, this one is pretty cool. Anyway, that's just a quick look at Hungry Birds for the BlackBerry smartphone. Go check it out in BlackBerry App World. Catch you later.